Hey guys, my name is Anthony Terrigiano, and in this video we're going to go over npm permissions. Now, imagine we're trying to install a program on our system through npm. For instance, let's say I want to install JS hint globally on my system. So we do npm install -g JS hint, okay? And so we go through this process, but then at the end what happens is we get an error message. And the error is that we have permissions denied here. And the reason is because it's trying to install JSON in the USR folder. But we don't have explicit access to the USR folder. We would have to do a sudo install globally in order for us to install it that way. But we don't want to do that all the time. We want to just do npm install, -g, and then whatever the package we want. So how do we do that? So the first thing we want to do is want to confirm that's the case. So if we do npm config get prefix, okay, you'll see that it's pointed to the USR folder here. And if we check the permissions of that USR folder, you'll see that the permissions are set to the root account, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to change that. We want to point it to a folder that we have access to. So let's create a folder in our home directory. I'm going to call my folder npm-packages. Okay, it's going to be a hidden folder. And the way I'm going to do is just make directory, ~/, which will tell the system to create it in my home folder. I'm going to add a dot because it's a hidden folder. And it's going to be npm packages. Now this could be any name you want it to be. I'm just going to name it npm packages. Okay. Now confirm that that was created. Just do ll, and you see npm packages was created, and you'll see that I have access to this directory. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is I want to update my configurations for npm. So all we have to do is do npm config set prefix. Okay. And I'm just going to put in the path of the npm packages folder that I just created, okay? And to confirm that that's the case, I can do npm config get prefix, okay? And you'll see that the prefix has been updated. So the next thing I want to do is I want to update my profile file that's also located in my home directory. And I want to add a path to that. So I'm going to be using the Vim editor, but you can use any editor that you're comfortable with. And I'm just going to bring up the profile file. Now I'm going to do is scroll all the way down, all the way to the bottom, okay? And I'm going to add a path, okay? And the path is going to equal to the, again, the npm packages folder, okay? And I'm going to add bin and then the path variable, okay? And then I'm just going to exit out, okay? And then I'm just going to do a source profile, okay? This should just update the file itself, okay? So now, if I do npm install, actually JS hint, okay, you'll see that it was installed correctly. And to confirm that, we should do JS hint -v, and you'll see that JS hint was installed on the system. Okay, so this concludes our video on npm permissions. I hope you learned something. If you have any comments or if you want to reach out to me, please do that, and thanks a lot.